4K drone enthusiasts. If you're in the market for a high-performance 4K drone with GPS and obstacle avoidance, this is the video for you. In 2025, drones have evolved to deliver cinema-grade footage, smart flight modes, and powerful GPS-based navigation at surprisingly affordable prices. Today, we'll look at the top 5 best GPS drones with 4K on Aliexpress, perfect for creators, hobbyists, and pro flyers. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's take off. Number 1. LYZRC L200 PRO MAX, 2-axis gimbal and 360 degrees avoidance. The L200 PRO MAX is a great entry into the world of semi-professional GPS drones. The 2-axis gimbal provides effective stabilization, while the 360-degree obstacle avoidance gives you confidence when flying in tight areas. Its brushless motors and GPS ensure stable hovering even in windy conditions, and the 5G Wi-Fi lets you stream crisp 4K FPV footage in real time. For UHD camera, 2-axis mechanical gimbal, GPS plus 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, brushless motors, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, foldable, portable design. Pros: mechanical gimbal for better stability, 360 degrees smart sensors, GPS return to home, lightweight and foldable. Cons: no vertical video mode, battery lasts 25 minutes max. Best for beginners to intermediate pilots wanting a solid, reliable GPS drone for cinematic footage. Number 2. S185 GPS Drone, 3-axis gimbal plus long-range FPV. The S185 drone punches way above its price with a true 3-axis gimbal. That means better stability when filming in motion or wind. The dual camera setup allows for wide-angle plus downward shots, perfect for cinematic storytelling. You also get a 5 km control range via 5G FPV, which is incredible for its size and price bracket. 4K dual camera, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, 5G digital transmission, 5 km max range, foldable, compact design. Pros: 3-axis mechanical gimbal, long 5 km range, smooth video streaming, obstacle avoidance works well. Cons: no internal video storage, needs microSD card for best footage. Best for content creators and vloggers who want more dynamic and cinematic shots with strong GPS control. Number 3. Xiaomi V198 Max, dual camera powerhouse with 8K support. The Xiaomi V198 Max is for users who want a hybrid drone, good for aerial photography and fun weekend flights. The built-in screen on the remote is a huge bonus, letting you fly without a smartphone. Its dual camera system and brushless motors give you smooth footage and better control, while the drone also offers 8K stills, great for creators who want high-res captures. 4K video plus 8K photo resolution, dual cameras, brushless motors, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, built-in LCD screen on remote, GPS auto return and follow me. Pros: dual camera versatility, large control range with live screen, high-res still photography 8K, strong battery life and stable hovering. Cons: no gimbal stabilization, 8K is for photos only. Best for travelers and photographers wanting a screen-equipped GPS drone with high-res photos. Number 4. L600 PRO MAX, 3-axis gimbal plus full obstacle avoidance. The L600 PRO MAX is one of the most feature-packed drones on the list. With a 3-axis gimbal, dual camera flexibility, long-range FPV, and obstacle avoidance in all directions, it's geared for semi-professional aerial shooting. The gimbal ensures buttery footage even during movement, while the drone holds its GPS position tightly, even in wind. 4K HD video, 3-axis gimbal, dual camera system, 5 km range, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, foldable design. Pros: excellent video stability, wide range of intelligent flight modes, dual cameras with switching options, long range and battery life. Cons: heavier than others, FAA reg may apply. Slower charging, best for aerial videographers and drone enthusiasts wanting a DJI alternative under budget. Number 5. SG109 PRO MAX, mini GPS drone with screen controller. The SG109 PRO MAX is one of the smallest GPS drones with a built-in screen. You won't need a smartphone to see your live feed. The compact size makes it perfect for travel, and it still supports GPS stabilization and basic obstacle avoidance. Don't expect pro-grade footage, but for casual use, this drone is incredibly convenient and fun. Compact and portable. 4K HD camera, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, built-in 4.5-inch display on remote, GPS hover plus return to home, obstacle sensors, Front-facing. Pros: small and travel-friendly. Built-in screen on remote. Decent 4K video in daylight. GPS hover and return to home. Cons: no gimbal. Uses EIS. Not ideal for low light. Best for casual flyers or travelers who want a smartphone-free GPS drone for quick flights. If you're just starting out, the LYZRC L200 PRO MAX offers incredible value and essential features. Need more stable, cinematic video? The S185 or L600 PRO MAX are unbeatable with their 3-axis gimbals. For high-resolution photo enthusiasts, the Xiaomi V198 Max is a compact dual-cam champ. And for plug-and-play simplicity, the S109 PRO Max with its built-in screen is a great travel-friendly pick. Let us know in the comments. Which drone impressed you the most? Would you go for power, portability, or pro features? Like if this helped. Subscribe for more drone reviews, flight tests, and budget tech every week. Catch you in the next one, and until then, fly safe, fly smart.